Nvidia takes aim at Intel and AMD with its new RTX Spark chip, while Asus packs a punch with the ROG NUC 16, Byte-PulseNet has the latest. Asus unveils the ROG NUC 16 Edition 20, a slim 5.6 cm gaming PC packing an Nvidia GeForce RTX 5090 mobile GPU and Intel's Core Ultra 9290HX Plus, celebrating ROG's 20th anniversary. Here is why that matters: this tiny powerhouse won't be available in Germany. Nvidia enters the system-on-chip market with the RTX Spark, targeting mainstream laptops with AI capabilities, envisioning a future where users interact with PCs in a whole new way. Here is why that matters: traditional app-based interactions may soon be a thing of the past. Nvidia officially enters the ARM PC market with the RTX Spark processor, combining a Grace CPU and Blackwell GPU cores for enhanced performance and gaming. Here is why that matters: this move marks a significant shift in the PC market landscape. A new leak indicates Apple glasses will target the traditional eyewear market, aiming to be great glasses first, tech product second, with a price tag between $200 to $500. Here is why that matters: Apple is betting big on making tech accessible and stylish. Large language models like Claude Mythos present a complex challenge for IT security, with experts like Bruce Schneier weighing in on the implications. Here is why that matters: the future of cybersecurity hangs in the balance. The Samsung Galaxy Z Fold 8 could benefit from the S26 Ultra's privacy display, offering enhanced security and discretion for users. Here is why that matters: in a world of increasing surveillance, privacy features are becoming a must-have. Samsung's brightest Neo QLED meets LG's latest OLED in the 2024 TV showdown, with specs, performance, and value compared. Here is why that matters: the right TV choice can make all the difference in your viewing experience. Nvidia's RTX Spark chip for Windows PCs promises integrated graphics, AI smarts, and a new way to interact with your computer, taking aim at Intel and AMD. Here is why that matters: the PC market is about to get a whole lot more competitive. If this helped you stay sharp, hit subscribe and the bell. Byte-PulseNet lands every night. Full stories on Byte-PulseNet. Good night.